Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Justin Clark here. Going to do a quick morning market analysis because honestly, I want to get back to trading. This market right now, it's super good with the system. And for those who don't know, we have a proven trading system. We've been doing this for many years, trading with iCoinPro. And we have amazing software, training community, everything. So if you're interested in learning about how to like day trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, you can get back with the person who shared this video or just shoot an email to support@iCoinPro.com. If you want to get these types of morning market analysis into your inbox on the daily, you can follow me on Facebook, or you can also subscribe to us on YouTube. And we'll be more than happy to get those right to you each day. So lots happening with Bitcoin. Obviously, it hit an all-time high. Lots of movement in the market. Lots of coins going up and down and all over like crazy. So fortunately, we've got our software to track all of this. We have our all-seeing eye, and that is just so powerful right now with this market moving like crazy like this. So I'm going to go ahead over here and let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin and where it's at. Give me just 1 second here. There it is. Okay. And then for those who don't know what we're looking at a chart, and this is our software that tracks all of this stuff. Right now we're looking at Bitcoin, and we use a chart setup called the MA Momentum chart setup, moving average momentum. And this chart setup lets us know, where things kind of stand and where the momentum might possibly be building for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And it also tracks, this software tracks what are the hot coins to trade, what are the ones that are going to make us potentially the biggest bang for our buck, and when there's going to be potentially explosive movements upward and downward. This software is, as we like to say, the all-seeing eye of crypto. It is just so fantastic. So with that said, I want to cover where you can find this if you are an iCoinPro member. You can go into your iCoinPro training here, and then you just scroll down to part 3 and click go, and you'll be able to see in an instant that it's right here, the MA Momentum chart setup, and you can jump in on that, and that'll give you the full training. It takes about 40 minutes, so it's kind of a standalone you can do. All right, so let's take a look at Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin set an all-time high at 94K. It is now trying to figure out exactly where it wants to go from here. And the buyers and the sellers are kind of battling it out. But on our MA Momentum chart setup, whenever we're trading above all of these lines, these are called moving averages, okay? Whenever we're trading above all of these moving averages, that is potentially bullish setup. So we know when we're above all of these, we're potentially in a bull market, most definitely not in a bear market. Obviously, the flip side is true. If we're trading below all of these, then we're potentially in a bear market and almost definitely not in a bull market, okay? So we've just got to see, what's going to happen here next. Now, as long as we keep trading above this little light purple line here on the MA Momentum chart setup, which you can get by going up to load chart layout and then clicking on it, it's right in the portal. We're pretty good shape. But we could get a really strong retrace to that purple line at any time. And if we lose that, that's going to confuse the market a bit. Could start to flip the script or make people concerned about whether or not 94K-ish was the top or not. All right. All right. So that's kind of where we are right now. The other thing I want to just look at, longs and shorts. Right now, we've got a bit more people going short. Short means that they're betting Bitcoin's going down, usually with leverage. Longs are people who are betting Bitcoin's going up, usually with leverage. When you use leverage, it's like you're borrowing money and you exaggerate your gains, or you're your losses, and it's riskier trading. When you hear about people like blowing out an account, that's almost invariably from leverage trading. Okay. So we got to keep an eye on these. We'll just see if, what happens here. It's not super concerning. There's nothing here that I'm like really worried about just yet, because we're just sort of like, in the middle. When one of these gets over 70%, then potentially a more dramatic or dynamic move could occur. That could be kind of exciting. But for right now, it's kind of business as usual for us. So we just do our trades. When we see good trades, we take them, we get in, we get out. But we're trading high overall as a market, so we all need to just be aware of that, okay? And we could get a big, dump or retrace here that could be pretty dramatic for the market at any point, just because of the nature of where we're at in this market right now, and fear can start to creep in after all of this bullish momentum and movement. So that's where we are right now. As far as key levels to watch, definitely it looks like 82, 83 are going to be a key level to watch. We got to stay above that. 94 is the upside. Obviously, yeah, 89, 90K. Market's going to want to see if we can stay above that level. So, that could be an area that'll get tested. If we hit 89, 90K, then definitely the altcoins could kind of implode a little bit. If we get a good retrace here, we're starting to see that on some of them. They're starting to really kind of creep back. But, again, 83K, 89, 90K, and then on the top side, 94K. Those are kind of the levels to watch right now. All right, that is everything we want to look at there. We're going to just check at the buddy coins, and our software. It finds when things dump, when they pump, when they do all of this sort of stuff. We have a blow up tracker, a dump tracker, and a spread tracker. I've been having some fun with DGen this morning, so we're keeping an eye on DGen. Absolutely one of the best buddy coins right now. Looks like we've got HBAR wanting to join the party. And then I'm probably going to go with Bonk. So DGen, HBAR, and Bonk are going to be the three that I'm watching. But again, the software, if there's better stuff that's going on, the software is going to find it for us. So, yep. So that is everything that I've got today. Again, if you want these morning market analysis right to your inbox, just shoot me a follow on Facebook or subscribe on YouTube. And let's see what happens in these crazy crypto markets today. No telling what's going to happen next. But we are high up, so we could get a nice stiff retrace here for sure. Absolutely. So just be aware of that can occur at any time. All right, everybody, have a great afternoon. Looks like we're going to have a busy weekend. Normally weekends are kind of slow, but this has got some definitely good trades and good things that are happening in here this weekend. Take care, everybody. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.